So I left, but made sure they both saw my car. I left, and 3 days later, my phone was blowing up with Marla and B-Word asking me how to do stuff where I would explain to them I had to close that account so it would not be tied to me. Boss tried calling me and asked me to come back with a significant raise. I respectfully declined. Then I quickly found out the following month, sales dropped significantly, and those girls were in hot water with the boss. And yesterday, my friend who knows what's going on in the industry shot me a text saying, "Start looking for a new job. XXXX competitor is buying you guys out." I replied, "LOL, I quit 4 months ago." And our second story. Manager and boss, brothers from hell, get what they deserve. I was working at a distribution center that basically repacked clothes. Very famous brand. We were doing this job with an intern and another employee, so 3 in total. Our job was to load and unload the trucks and pick orders. Describes the amount of work needed to be done. You wouldn't say, but it was pretty hard work, especially in the summer with winter coats, handling 10,000 a day. The big boss had a little brother who was the manager of this place. The guy never accomplished anything in his life. Didn't finish his education or anything whatsoever, leeching off others and being a general, look at me, I'm so special person. The big boss was also a D-head, but not as big as his little brother. The manager was known for being an a-hole to everyone and talking horrible about the foreign people working there, boasting about his big car and all of his expensive trips toward people that could never afford this, including towards us. Minimum wage job, by the way. So this manager decided one Monday to mock me in front of a lot of people. He did the same thing to the other guy I was working with, how useless we are, didn't get the right quota, and so on, telling his brother, and we ended up having a talk with the big boss. The talk wasn't very special, but we both didn't feel accepted in any way. So me and the other guy were sick of the verbal abuse, hard work, and crappy pay. We came up with a plan. We decided to quit on the next Tuesday. This was possible and not needed to let them know in advance because we worked via an agency. We could quit whenever we wanted. Yes, here it comes. The day the intern had to go to school was a Tuesday. So that Tuesday morning, I called the manager first that I couldn't come to work. He was, of course, not happy. Then I called the agency and said that I was quitting. The other guy didn't even call the job. He just called the agency to avoid calling the manager from hell. So, from what I've heard from one of my coworkers is that there was a massive panic that day, and the manager from hell even had to do some work himself, because of course orders needed to be picked and prepared for the trucks, and no one was there to do it. They missed a few big orders and lost a bunch of money, probably $30,000 to $50,000. Would do it again. And our last story. Worked on a mobile game for a guy that decided not to pay me. Years ago, when I was new to mobile development, I worked on a mobile game for a guy that bought the existing code for the game from my previous boss. I didn't work on the game originally, but I got referred to him when he needed a developer to do some work on it. I was only hired to reskin the game and add the translation he provided. I did everything he hired me to do, but the underlying code he bought was crappy and had a lot of bugs. I even fixed some of those bugs, even though that wasn't what I was hired for. Since I was fairly new to the industry, I didn't take any money up front. Yeah, I know, stupid. But was going to get paid as soon as the app was in the Apple App Store. There were bugs in the code I couldn't fix at the time, and the original developers were no help, but he wouldn't pay me until they were fixed. After a bit of disagreement on what I was hired to do, he stopped answering my emails, so I logged back into the server and removed the web service code for the game to make the app completely useless. We never came to an agreement, so he had a useless game in the App Store that didn't work that he paid a fair amount of money for when he bought the code. F that guy. Hey guys, thank you all for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey there, Mr. Reddit here. Welcome back to another episode of r/Entitled Parent Stories. Our first story we'll be reading today. Has anyone else out there dealt with the anti-shoe lady? After that, am I the jerk for telling my girlfriend I'll literally kick her out if she won't see a doctor? And after that, I might be young, but I'm the assistant manager. Now for every thumbs up this video gets, one Karen has to put on some shoes. You'll never make me. So please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe and turn on notifications for new stories from Reddit every single day. Has anyone else out there dealt with the anti-shoe lady? It was about 7 years ago, and I was a server in a restaurant on the beach in